If you are looking at the SimplifyTech CineX Mini, specifically the 720p edition, you need to know exactly what you are getting into. This isn't about hype, it's about whether the specs actually match your needs. So let's break down the hardware, software, and the buying protection to see if it's the right fit for you. First, let's talk about the projection itself. The unit runs a native 720p resolution. However, the chipset inside supports 4K decoding. This is an important distinction. It means you can feed it high-quality 4K video files or streams, and it will downsample them to HD without stuttering. In terms of screen real estate, it can project anywhere from 40 inches up to 120 inches, though the sweet spot is around 80 inches for the sharpest image. Brightness is often the biggest pain point with portable projectors. This model is rated at 10,000 lumens, which translates to a standardized 260 ANSI lumens. To be clear, this is not a daylight projector. You will need to dim the lights, but compared to standard entry-level projectors that usually sit around 100 ANSI, the 260 ANSI here gives you significantly better contrast and visibility in a dimly lit room. The biggest utility feature is the operating system. It runs on Android 11.0. This functions as a standalone unit. You don't need to hook up a laptop or buy a Fire Stick. You can install Netflix, YouTube, and other streaming apps directly onto the projector storage. For connectivity, it uses Wi-Fi 6, which is faster and handles congestion better than older standards, crucial for streaming high bitrate video. It also includes Bluetooth 5, allowing you to wirelessly connect a soundbar or headphones if you find the built-in speakers aren't loud enough for your room. It also supports wireless mirroring for both iOS and Android, and features auto keystone correction to keep the image rectangular if you place it at an angle. Now, let's look at the risk factor, because buying tech online can be tricky. SimplifyTech is currently offering free worldwide shipping, so you aren't getting hit with hidden fees at checkout. More importantly, they back the unit with a 6-month worldwide warranty, which is a solid safety net. And if you are still on the fence, they offer a no questions asked money-back guarantee. That means you can actually test the device in your own home to see if it works for you, completely risk-free. The bottom line, it is a portable, lightweight device that fits in a backpack. It is not going to replace a high-end television, but with Android 11, solid connectivity, and the backing of a worldwide warranty and money-back guarantee, it is easily one of the safest and most capable options in the budget category right now.